Why is it not cutting? Okay, I don't hate it. I strongly dislike it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, we've been in quarantine for about a week and I am making the impulsive decision to cut my hair. So, I've done lots of research on how to do this, and yet I still don't know the right way. I've never cut my own hair. I don't know how short, not that short, I'm going to do it because I have extremely thick hair. So this is going to be interesting. I'm honestly not that scared because at this point it needs to be done. My hair is extremely long and it just is like so much of a hassle at this point. Like, I would say I have a love-hate relationship because sometimes it looks good when I do stuff with it, but I do stuff with it like maybe once a month. So the other days it's just this. So here we are, cutting it. No one knows about this except I mentioned it to my friends saying I might do it, so they might have an idea, but we're just gonna go into it. I think I'm gonna section my hair into 4 because my hair is so thick. So yeah, I need hair ties. I already have my hair parted. Darn, that's not straight. I have also watched so many of Brad's videos to like see what he says about it. Didn't really help. I have an oval face and he said any hair works on that. So it didn't really help me with my decision of the length I should do. So thanks. So I was thinking, even if this looks bad, like no one's gonna see me for another 3 weeks. So who cares? Okay, we're gonna put a ponytail at where I'm not gonna cut past. There's like, I saw them say that you should put like a safety guard, so like I'm not gonna cut above this just yet. Oh my word. Oh gosh, this is gonna not go well. I straightened my hair for this because I felt like that was better than doing it wet and looking like just like a rat. So here I am. Like I said, this is like impulsive. Just because of quarantine. Definitely was not planning on this. I wanted to have long hair for prom, but you know, prom's not even happening now, so there's no reason to keep growing out my hair because I was gonna cut it right after prom. So at this point, screw it. I like really want this to be good, but I sort of know it's gonna be bad. Wait, shouldn't the back be shorter? Let me make my TikTok. Wait, I need to put another hair tie. Crap, I don't have enough. Oh shoot, this is so much hair. Like it's a rat's tail. I know so many people like my long hair, but crap, I'm lacking blah, blah, hair tie. Crap. All my little baby hairs we're gonna ignore. I'm so pale in this shirt. I don't know why I wore it. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Dude, this is thick. Why is it not cutting? No. 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 Well. Look at this nub. Okay, well, I guess I just have to keep going. Sort of regret this. The sound is satisfying though. Oh crap. I literally did it worse the second time. Are you kidding me right now? I never thought this day would come. Nor did I think I was actually gonna do this. And, ooh, that's a nice little nub. You kidding me right now, bro? Like, what if this is unfixable? I like always joked, oh, I'm gonna cut my own hair for YouTube. Look at this rat tail of a nest that was living on my head. I'm like really scared. This is the shortest I've ever done it. Crap. me. I don't like this. Wait, stop. It's so short. No, I didn't want it this short. There's like no going back. Oh, shoot. Okay, I don't hate it. I strongly dislike it. Okay, time to see the back. Wait. Oh no, that's bad. But like, honestly, it could have been worse. Whoa, why do I still have a long piece? How did this guy miss the cut? Excuse me, sir. That's illegal. Okay, so this is obviously longer. So, I think this is when the combs come in handy. How do you do this? Why? Why is this side so much shorter? Are you kidding? I can't even do half up, half down anymore. Are you kidding me? I was supposed to do a hairstyle video. With what? I can't do any hairstyles with... I feel like this is good, but Brad would be watching this and be like, no, it's not. It's not awful. The ends can be like fixed up, but now it's time. Okay, I'm gonna FaceTime my friends. That's what I'm gonna do.
You're like, oh no, really good.
Thank you. I was bored.
Bored?
Yeah, and I'm doing a YouTube video on it. I know, it's sort of like cut off more than I want. Like, I expected to, but it's fine. Hi.
Hi. Oh my gosh, let me see. It's so cute.
Thanks, it's so short.
Did you do it yourself?
Yeah, I still have to fix it up, like some stuff, or have my mom do it because it's like not entirely straight, especially since my hair is split.
Oh my gosh, it's so cute.
Hi.
Hi. Nuh-uh.
This is real this time.
You look so good.
Thanks. It's sort of still really messed up, but now it's time to show my mom. Ta-da!
That looks adorable. Oh my gosh, weren't you scared?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it looks adorable. Are you gonna regret it?
No, I like it.
This isn't
I
like
need to get
coronavirus.
No, I wanted
quarantine.
to, but like I just need to get used to it. But did you like it? I just fell going up the steps also, just so you know. So I think this is all for the video. Oh my word. It's so short. I really like it now. It's gonna be so much different, obviously. Hope you guys enjoyed me having a mental breakdown and cutting my hair. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video with short hair. Bye.